Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Mimecast Awareness Training, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin the installation of Mimecast Awareness Training, first, ensure you have administrative access to your Mimecast account. Navigate to the Mimecast Administration Console. Log in using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Services section in the main menu. Click on Awareness Training to access the relevant options. In the Awareness Training section, select Setup. Review the available training modules to determine which ones you wish to enable. Next, click on Configure Settings to customize your training preferences. Choose your desired language and settings for training notifications. After configuring your settings, click on Save to apply the changes. Proceed to assign training modules to your users or groups. To do this, navigate to the Users section. Select the users or groups you want to include in the training. Allocate the appropriate training modules to these users. Review the assigned modules for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on Save to finalize the assignments. Now, it's time to set up your training schedule. Navigate to the Training Schedule option within the Awareness Training section. Select how often the training should occur, whether monthly, quarterly, or annually. Configure reminders for training completion to help users stay on track. Click Save to store your training schedule settings. Next, validate that your settings are functioning correctly. You can do this by reviewing the Reports section for user progress and completion rates. Monitor feedback from users to adjust training as necessary over time. Finally, ensure to keep software and training materials updated regularly. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Mimecast Awareness Training and set it up for your organization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.